my god, you're finally back! Yay! Oh my god, I am so happy that you're finally here. You're back from school. Oh my love, you're finally back. I missed you so much. You have no idea how much I missed you. I missed you so much. It's not fair. Why does your school get to take you for so long? I want to stay with you for longer. God, I love you. Hey, why are you sad? What's wrong? Talk to me, I'm here. I'm here for you, talk to me, what's going on? What's going on? Talk to me, I'm here. I'm here for you, it's okay, it's okay. It's a lot of stress, isn't it? I know, it's a lot, I know, you don't, shh. It's okay, I know. It's too much stress, it's too much work, it's too early hours, it's too late hours. I know it's hard, I know. It's okay, it's okay, I'm here. You walked home in the rain, by the way. Just, I don't know if you noticed that, but you walked home in the rain. I'm so happy that you're here. I know it's stressful, it's okay. Shh. Surprisingly, you're very dry. Like you're not even wet in the slightest. I don't know how you came home in the rain without being wet, but could you teach me one day? No, all jokes aside, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm here. It's okay. It's okay. Show me that smile. There you go. That's your smile. That's my lover's smile. That's my baby's smile. Oh, that's my smile. Oh, I love your smile. Oh, there's your smile. My smile. Oh, I love seeing it so much. Your smile, it's so beautiful. Oh, there you go. There you go. Your smile. I love it so much. Your smile means everything to me. I'm so happy to see you smile. There you go. Add it. There you go. I love you so much. I love you so much. It's okay. I'm so proud of you for working so hard. You wake up so early and you work so hard. I am so proud of you. You are amazing, and I'm so proud of you for everything that you've done and everything that you're doing. I am so proud of you for it. I see it. I see how hard you work. Some people may not see it, but I see it. I see it. I see it. I see it. I see all your hard work, and I'm so proud of you for it. I see it all. My everything. I see everything. My love, my heart, my baby, my everything. I see all the work that you do, and I tell you, I'm proud of you. I fully mean it when I say, I love you, and I'm so proud of you. I am so proud of you. While I'm hugging you, how about I sing you a little song? I just remembered how much, like, this song I used to listen to when I was a kid. And now, well, not a kid, it was like a younger version of me, but I wasn't a kid, I was like a teenager. It's confusing, just, I'll sing you this song, okay? I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a lover, beautiful and sweet. Oh, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, but darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark, you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a lover stronger than anyone I know. You share my dreams, I hope that one day I'll share your home. And I found a lover to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry futures of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand, be my love, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, but we're listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in those clothes, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person, and they look perfect. I don't deserve you. You look perfect, my love. I love you, look so perfect and so beautiful. I love you with all my heart, and I see all the hard work that you do at school. And I want to tell you this. I am so beyond proud of you. You make me so proud and you make me so happy. Like the song says, I don't deserve you. You are perfect. You know, even when you don't see how amazing you are sometimes, and I know that you don't see yourself as perfect, I've once learned that perfection is not something that you can just strive for or become, because with perfection, you already are the perfect version of yourself. Think about it. Nobody can be a better version of who you are. No one will do the same mistakes or take the same actions. No one will do everything that you do. No one will breathe the same as you. No one will love me and I will love as more or less than you. You are the perfect version of who you are. Nobody will ever be a better version of you. So in my eyes, you are perfect. Oh, look at your smile. God, I love your smile so much. You wanna go to sleep? It's okay. You can sleep in my arms. I mean, it is raining and I know how much you love the rain. So you can go to sleep. It's okay. I'll hold you all night long, my love. Mwah. I love you. Good night, my love. I love you so much. Mwah. Good night, my angel. I'll hold you all night long. All night long, my love. All night long. Mwah. Good night.